Welcome back to Adventure Repeats. Glad to see you here. So today we're doing the oil change on this 2018 Polaris RZR. This is the turbo model, but in a standard model it's the same process. So we're going to show you how it's done to get it back on the trail. Coming from the back of the engine, right about halfway right there, is the oil drain plug. And this is a 6mm Allen wrench. Simply break it free and start draining the oil. Having the seat out makes really good access to this little cover right here to pop this out. And then right around the corner there, after I bump everything, you can see there's the oil filter. So you have to tuck a rag underneath there and catch all the oil that spills out, but that's the easiest way to get to the oil filter. You can do it from the side, but you're doing it blind, and the turbo being in the way makes it a little trickier than a non-turbo, but that right there is the oil filter, and we got to get that out. And if you're coming in from the passenger side, that's where it's at, right there. So you could do it from reaching around this side or the other side too, but coming from the front is going to be the easiest. You might have to come from the side, get a wrench on it to get it broke free, but it's inconvenient, but it's still there. Driver's side tends to be the easiest way to reach around here and get a wrench on there and you'll loosen it up and drop that out of the way. And this is the universal oil filter removal tool that I use. It's a nice Blue Point snap-on number, but it fits all the different sizes, so it fits it small enough to be able to get it on there and still clears the turbo drain tube that's in the way right there. So that works out great for me. And cute little filter, and this one is taking a beating. It's been smashed up and dented and dinged for a while. But we got her out, we're gonna get a new one in. A little bit of oil on the seal, it's ready to go. This one you cannot pre-fill because it's inverted and upside down. It's just gonna spill out all over the place. So new AMSOIL filter and going in through the side. Now this is about done draining. These are supposed to have a little copper washer on there, and this one either lost it when I pulled the plug or didn't have one, but my AMSOIL kit comes with a brand new one, so we're going to slide that on there and then put the drain plug back in. And for those that want to know, the oil pan drain plug torque spec is 12 foot-pounds. To fill the oil, you go to the back, pop this cover off, and that gives you access right here to the oil fill. Spec capacity calls for 2.75 quarts, but we always start the engine and verify the level when we're done. And I always like to run AMSOIL just because I'm a big fan of their products and I run it in everything that I have. And to verify oil level after we ran it, it's right here at this dipstick. Pop the lever up, pull it right out, and check it like you normally would on a car engine. Now after running and checking, mine actually wanted the full 3 quarts oil, which is not a big deal. Quarter quarts, not that much different than what they call for from the factory spec. But obviously this is a turbo engine, so non-turbo, still a very similar process, just about the exact same pieces and parts that you need for that as well. And I'm going to leave all the links I can in the description for you to make this job easier for you. Hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.